Right. Kasi kagaya na sinabi ko kanina.
I need to speed up a little bit.
Bro, you're going on 120 to 100.
Yung iba dyan, ha?
You're going on 100.
Yung iba dyan, safe na.
There's a what I wrote, you can go up to like 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers above the speed limit. That's still, that one's still okay, but if you go like 15 kilometers above the speed limit, let's say you go above like 115, 120, something like that, that's what I'm speeding up.
How about 107?
107 still good. 110 still good. They're still gonna...
How about 111?
Then that's kind of speeding.
Ano na ba yung progress ng
Speeding na.
natin? Kasi baka sa
Wait, let's face it.
Yeah.
Motor.
Edmonton, 276 kilometers.
sabihin ng
Oh my God.
Sige, pwede ba yun?
Yay!